Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video. So please please subscribe.
Hi guys, I am Tech10 Tutorials, and in this video I will give you a CMD file which will make your PC super fast in just 2 clicks. This is a set of programs which will terminate all the unwanted things which are making your PC slow. You cannot see, but there are many unwanted scripts and apps which remain in action when you are not using them. You cannot stop them, but this file can stop it, which will make your PC fast. If you want to improve your FPS in your PC and want to make your PC lag free, then you can check my other videos. And before starting, it's a request to you guys, please like this video and subscribe my channel. It takes too much effort to make a video.
Roll. 3, 2, 1.
Download this file from the link in description and extract it. Now you will get a file, run it as administrator. After it opens, press any key, that's it. Now your PC is faster than before. I hope this video helped you. Before leaving, please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye bye until the next video.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video. So please please subscribe.